Hello everyone, I hope each one of you is doing well. Guys, do you know what is PMSSS scholarship? If the answer is negative, don't worry guys, I'll be telling you what it is. PMSSS is a Prime Minister's special scholarship scheme to provide academic fees, maintenance allowance to the students belonging to Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh region after qualifying class 12th or equivalent examination. It is basically given to pursue undergraduate studies outside the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This scheme was launched by All India Council for Technical Education, which is AICTE. Talking about the scope of the scholarship, under this scheme, 5,000 fresh scholarships are available per annum. Out of these, 2,070 scholarships are for the general degree courses, 2,830 for the professional or engineering courses, and 100 for medical courses. The number of scholarships for engineering and medical studies would be kept flexible, subject to the ceiling of 5,000 fresh scholarships per annum and subject to the savings accruing from any shortfall in the number of students opting for general degree courses. Talking about the rate of scholarships, academic fee and maintenance allowance. For the general degree, there are 2,070 scholarships and the upper limit of academic fee is 30,000 rupees. For the professional, engineering, nursing, pharmacy, B Architecture, HMCT degree, the number of scholarships is 2,830 and the upper limit of academic fee is rupees 1.25 lakhs. For the medical courses, MBBS, BDS, BAMS or BHMS, the number of scholarships are 100 and the upper limit of academic fee is rupees 3 lakhs. So total number of scholarships will be 5,000 and the maintenance charges are rupees 1 lakh, which is fixed. So now the maintenance charges of rupees 1 lakh per annum in 10 equal installments to meet hostel, mess, books, stationery and other incidentals. Fresh students admitted in the academic session 2021-22 will be paid maintenance allowance from the date of joining the institute. If the student is studying through online mode from Jammu and Kashmir or Ladakh, will be paid rupees 20,000 per semester. The students who stays actually in the hostel or PG will be paid on the basis of certification by the principal of the college or institute. Now let us know about the documents which are to be uploaded while filling the application form. First is the recent passport size photograph, then signature, domicile certificate of Jammu and Kashmir, category certificate only if applicable, Aadhaar card, 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, diploma certificate for lateral entry students only, disability certificate if applicable, family income certificate. The most important topic: who is eligible for this PMSSS scholarship? So, the person should be domicile of Union Territories of J&K and Ladakh, should have passed class 12th from JK Bose or CPSC affiliated schools located in Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Students who qualify national levels test like NEET, JEE, CLAT, etc. are also applicable to apply. Should have passed 10+3 diploma from Union Territories of J&K and Ladakh, Polytechnic for admission in the second year registration. Counseling will be held subject to the vacancy in the previous academic year in the prescribed list of the institutions. Should fulfill the minimum age limit and criteria as prescribed by the institution or university. The reservation policy will be followed of UTs of J&K and Ladakh region. The family income of a student should not be more than rupees 8 lakhs per annum. Talking about the application form for PMSSS Scholarship 2021. Application form will release in online mode only on the AICTE official portal. The candidates must fill the form online on the official portal. During the registration process, students have to provide their active mobile number and email ID. They must keep their user ID and password with safety to be used further later on. Now, how to apply for PMSSS 2021? Step 1. Visit the official website of AICTE. Then, click on the 12th registration 2021 to 22 and enter all the required details. A specimen has been shown to you. Sign in using the email ID and password to complete the application process. Fill your name, your parents' details and Aadhaar card number in personal details section. Fill your permanent and residential, the current address in both the columns and keep it same in case both are same. Fill your income details and educational details as per the requirements. Upload all the required attachments. In last step, click on Submit after verifying all the details in the preview option and also print the application for the future need during physical verification of the documents. But what after the submission of application? Once candidate has successfully submitted the application, he or she has to visit the nearest facilitation center for the document verification so that one can be eligible for the choice filling. Talking about what is PMSSS documents verification. Students need to take a printout of the online filled application and visit the nearest facilitation center established by the Government of Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh along with the original documents and one set of self-attested photocopies of all the original documents for verification. It is very important. Original documents to be produced at the time of verification at facilitation center are the same which are to be attached while applying the scheme. After documents verification, the candidate should collect a copy of the document verification report. The choice filling window would be activated for only those students who will successfully register and get their documents verified at any of the facilitation centers. Talking about the counseling process. The seat allotment will take place through online counseling only. No admission will be allowed without the participation in the online counseling process. Scholarships are provided to those candidates who secured admission through online counseling. During the counseling process, candidates will have to provide the choice of course and colleges in which they want to study and pursue higher studies. Talking about the seat in PMSSS. The various professional courses are BE or BTech, B Pharmacy, B Architecture, Hotel Management and Catering Technology, BSc Nursing. The general courses are BA, BCom, BSc, BSc Honours, BBA, BCA, etc. And the medical courses are MBBS, BDS, BAMS, Elite Medicinal courses. So, the total percentage of open merit is 56. For the SC it is 8, for the ST it is 11 and for the SEBC it is 25%. Guys, always remember, learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, never fears and never regrets. Guys, do follow us in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube for more such informative videos. Thank you very much.